Number 21. Take into account. It means to consider or think about something while making a decision.
You should take into account all the facts. You should take into account all the facts. The judge took into account her clean record. The judge took into account her clean record. They didn't take the weather into account for the event. They didn't take the weather into account for the event.
Number 22. Take pride in. It means to feel satisfaction or pleasure in something one has done or is associated with.
She takes pride in her handmade crafts. She takes pride in her handmade crafts. The company takes pride in its customer service. The company takes pride in its customer service. He takes pride in his children's achievements. He takes pride in his children's achievements.
Number 23. Take back. It means to retract a statement or to return something.
I take back what I said earlier, you were right. I take back what I said earlier, you were right. She had to take back the faulty appliance. She had to take back the faulty appliance. He wishes he could take back those words. He wishes he could take back those words.
Number 24. Take turns in. It means to alternate doing something with others.
Let's take turns driving during the road trip. Let's take turns driving during the road trip. The children take turns in playing the game. The children take turns in playing the game. They took turns in leading the team meeting. They took turns in leading the team meeting.
Number 25. Take offense. It means to feel insulted or hurt by something said or done.
She takes offense easily over small comments. She takes offense easily over small comments. He took offense at the joke about his job. He took offense at the joke about his job. I hope you don't take offense at my honesty. I hope you don't take offense at my honesty.